Apple CarPlay versus Android Auto round 2. Let's test everything out the same way with the new updates and see which one is better.
Okay, while driving, because people complained. You guys had a lot of complaints.
Let's start driving. Okay, we're gonna call Jacob on both phones.
Yes, because it failed last time. Jacob and Jakub, that's my name.
It's gonna be Jacob W.
That's right.
We're also going to check 27 Mount View and see if it shows up on maps.
Because that also failed last time.
Because Mount View sounds a lot like Mountain View.
That's right.
All right, are you ready to start with Apple?
I am, but you're not. Because last time, you guys all complained because he was a hipster, because he is. Look at his shirt.
All right, so let's fix that. Ready? All right, now I'm ready.
Yep.
Lost the sweater, lost the glasses. I'm not a hipster anymore.
You're still a hipster,
but I still love Apple.
Call Jacob W.
Did you mean Jakub W?
Yes.
Calling Jakub W.
Okay.
It worked.
That's better than the first time, than the last time we tried it, but it still takes 2 commands to say it.
Okay, fair enough.
Try saying Jakub W, because it had a hard time with that last time.
Okay. Call Jakub W.
Calling Jakub W.
Okay, so now it's one time, but your name is Jacob, not Jakub.
This is true.
There is a pronunciation field, so I can change it so it pronounces Jakub like Jacob.
Okay, so it's new.
So check this out. Check this out. Pull over. So you go Edit. You go down to Add Field. You go Pronunciation, first name, and then I can type in Jacob the way it wants to say it. And now let's try it.
It's not actually my name though.
Don't worry about it. It's pronunciation. It still says Jacob W. All right, Android fanboys. You ready for that? Hit him with one command.
Let's see if this actually works. Call Jacob W.
Calling Jacob W.
Oh! Apple is good as Android.
We still haven't proved anything yet.
It's not the best, but it's as good.
We still haven't proved anything yet.
Okay.
It's better.
Apple's still prettier.
No, this thing's been updated as well. So everything's been updated, Apple and Android.
Go for it.
Ready?
Hit him with that Jacob W.
First try. Call Jacob W.
Calling Jakub W. Mobile.
Okay,
One command, it worked.
but yours didn't say Jacob W. Yours said Jakub W.
Yeah,
So now Apple says call Jacob W, and it says Jacob W.
But you have to make it do that. I can make mine do that too.
Can you?
Yeah,
Prove it.
I don't even know how. All right, I got Yuri, which is actually Jacob, and phonetic surname, phonetic middle name, phonetic first name. So we're gonna call this Jacob as well. Here we go. Call Jacob W.
Calling Jakub W. Mobile.
Oh! Apple is winning. Take that, Android fanboys. Leave a comment now. Oh!
You're really excited because
Yeah,
it's so bad
won.
last time.
I'm representing.
It's so bad last time.
I need.
It still works perfectly.
I think Apple should send me a new iPhone 10.
It still works perfectly.
It doesn't work perfectly because
It took one try.
Your name isn't Jakub.
But it worked perfectly.
If the teacher said Jakub W in school, you'd be slightly upset. You'd be like, my name's
Yeah,
Jacob.
but I'd still be like, yeah, that's me. I'd like reluctantly raise my hand.
Okay,
This guy's still in grade school.
on to maps.
What is this?
On to maps. 27 Mount View Avenue, Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Okay, Google Maps will nail this.
I
Ready?
know.
27 Mount View Avenue, Toronto. Perfect.
Showing results for 27
Perfect.
Mount View Avenue, Toronto.
Flawless.
I did not expect anything less, and
Exactly.
honestly, I'm kind of pretty sure that Apple's gonna screw it up.
It is.
Let's
Garbage.
Let's check it out.
27 Mount View Avenue, Toronto.
Here it is.
It's really slow. It worked!
It worked.
Wow.
So, did Apple catch up?
I guess.
Speechless.
It works. I'm not gonna lie, it's there.
This is fantastic.
That's
If
really
anything,
good.
I think Apple CarPlay won because it says Jacob properly.
It took 2 tries. You had to program it in. No.
You programmed it in too.
No. But it still did it wrong. It still said it the same way, so it doesn't matter.
But after programming, you got yours wrong.
It was still right. It still said my name. It still called the right person.
I called you Jakub.
Doesn't matter. Call
Mine
the right
called you
person.
Jacob. Mine's got more respect.
It's fine. Text message. Send a text message to Jacob W.
What do you want to say?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Your message to Jacob W. says, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ready to send it?
Send it.
I'll send your message.
It worked.
Apple's getting better.
All right.
Okay, this is going so well. I don't think anyone can complain about the way we've done these tests.
Perfect. Send a text message to Jacob W.
Text Jakub W. Sure. What's the message?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Here's your text to Jakub W. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay.
So they actually both work.
It took a year and they fixed it all.
Yeah. Let's try and get it to screw up though.
Okay, what do you want it to do?
I don't know. Let's see. The actual place from our last video was Market Street. Market Street, Ohio. It gave up. Let's try it again. Market Street, Ohio.
Doesn't know what you're asking.
I know. It's quitting. It's just quitting. Let's try Android Auto.
Market Street, Ohio.
That's it.
If this can do Market Street, Ohio,
Android wins.
and so does Dayton.
Market Street, Ohio.
Showing results for Market Street, Ohio.
Yes! Android wins again!
Nobody cares about Dayton, Ohio.
Yes!
Check out our car channel. We do car reviews.
Yes. And Android versus Apple CarPlay once a year, apparently.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell.
I'm Yuri.
I'm Jacob.
And we're going for a drive. This is a subscription break. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe right now. Subscribe. We didn't do that.
We're changing the channel name to Yuri and Jakub. I'm Yuri, I'm Jakub, and I'm standing by my Android.
Yes.